Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I'm going to show you how easy it is to seed grains into containers so that you'll have an awesome winter interest pot. Now, this is about 2 months earlier than I would usually recommend, and that's actually for two reasons. First, I want to do a seed germination trial. Second, I need to have some examples of grains growing before I teach this class that is actually going to be professionally produced. Yeah, that means I'm actually going to work with a cameraman and a director and not be holding a camera on a selfie stick. It's really exciting. So I'm going to be shooting that in a couple weeks, and I need to have some pots that kind of will show the after stage, so to speak, so that when we're filming we can actually have something that looks complete. So I am just gonna show you this process real quick. Any of you who came to the open garden and bought grain packets, this is the information you'll want, but don't worry, I will be making lots of videos to show you exactly how to do this over and over again. I promise you, it's one of the simplest things that you will ever do, and they are so beautiful and long lasting. I know you won't regret growing them. Okay, so I have 4 different winter active grains or cool season grains. I've got 2 varieties of wheat, I have oats, and I also have some barley. And basically, I'm just using these fabric bags. They are already filled with Soil Cube, my favorite compost. And there's the thing, unless you had a plant die of a disease, you don't have to throw that old soil out and fill it with fresh. You can keep using it and then just top dress to compensate for any soil lost. So I'm just gonna add a light top dressing of soil here, and then I'll just scatter the seeds. Look at that gorgeous black cake mix soil. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm just gonna take a nice sized handful and I'm gonna scatter it evenly around. And that's essentially what you're looking for. And I'm just gonna, with my hand, sort of knead it into that top layer of soil. I've found that if you put a solid layer of soil over it or mulch over it, when the grains germinate, they basically puff that up like a toupee, and you end up having to knock it off, because then if you don't, you'll end up getting like a donut hole in the middle. So no need to like really cover it, just sort of do what I did with my hand. That way the seed has good contact with the soil. And that's literally it. Typically the grains will germinate somewhere between 3 and 5 days from sowing. So I suspect that when I get home from Long Island, I will have my first round of grains actively growing. I can't wait to give you an update once I get back. My final step is just to water these in, and hopefully in the next couple of days there'll be germination. I look forward to sharing updates with you on this 2022-2023 grains in containers experiment. Grains are really a huge passion of mine, and I think growing them in pots is a great first introduction. It's not intimidating, you're not devoting a lot of space, and you'll realize just how beautiful and low maintenance they are. Well, be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. Thanks for watching, everybody.